Mayong buntag, hapon, gabi sa tanan. Ako dahil si Bea and together with my co-host.
Hi, it's me, Jane.
And now let us all welcome Miss Ninya Macy Wakila.
So, hi everyone. Good evening. Actually, I'm from Dakak Gyud nga Dakak Sales Executive, but I'm not sales executive only, but I'm also the area sales coordinator of Unlifted Up.
What are the most heartwarming or funny moments from tourists nga nibisita sa Dakak?
Nami guess na they're afraid of heights,
Mm-mm.
but we have this Zimmerman. It's a roller coaster no nga dako kay na ay kanang kuan siya ba. As in, nahabog yun kay siya, mura kag bali-bali. So, now may guess nga ningon siya, I'm afraid of height, but iyang gitry. Hadlock siya, but at the same time, she enjoyed it. Yes. Ninaog siya sa Zimmerman, like dako rope. But happy daw siya, muusab pa daw siya.